In a world filled with expensive, overpriced, sure, same thing. That's the same. Expensive, poor quality, heirloom vegetable seeds, stands one man on a mission. Seed Man.
Help! Somebody's trying to make me buy overpriced seeds. Seed Man!
I'll save you!
Thank you for saving me, Seed Man.
No need to thank me, citizen. Just grow a garden. So what does a normal day look like for Seed Man? Other than saving the world, I do a lot. Hello, this is Seed. Luke speaking.
Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Stop selling overpriced seeds. I like that.
So yeah, other than saving the world from overpriced vegetable seeds, I kind of like my job. Is that it? Yeah. Okay.